Alright, today I'm working on the Jeep today. Got a bunch of projects trying to get through. So I'm going to be doing the grill. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. Got some of the questions there, but I'm going to be doing the grill. Angry Bird. Got comes with all the accessories. And I'm going to be working on something else here. Again, I'll leave a link in the description. LED headlights. Upgrade this baby. Here we go. I'm going to upgrade her so we can see a little better. So I do a combo, I think, of this and then the grill installation. It should be nice. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.